Hey everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to fix the phone not charging properly or you want to charge fast and you're looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's get started. Go to your phone settings for that and we can start by enabling the fast charging. You can scroll down, look out for the battery and device care and then tap on it and go to the battery section. And within battery, if there's option of fast charging, you can just go over and turn on that option, as this feature can sometimes be turned off. Apart from that, you can close any background applications. So you can close the applications running in the background that consume power and slow down charging. You can close any kind of unnecessary applications and also update your phone software to the date. So go to settings for that as well. And once you go to your settings, scroll down, look out for software update, and look out for download and install. And if there is any kind of update available, you can update your operating system to the latest version as it often includes performance improvements and even the bug fixes. Also, avoid charging in a very hot environment and also in a very cool and ventilated area like very cold. You can just go for and avoid it. Do it in a correct room temperature. You can charge it. And while it is charging, do not use any kind of heavy applications because that will slow down the charging process significantly. And that's it. You may follow up this method for that if you'd like to fix that phone not charging properly issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.